Hello everyone, Papa Blue Shirt again. Mama Blue Shirt. And daughter back there with her doggy. Going on another adventure today. Just got back from doing the Tunnel Hill Trail from one end to the other and then started back again and done almost 65 miles yesterday. And we're going out again today. Can you believe that? Trying to get the ride in before it gets cold. Yeah. Today we're going to go up to the land between the lakes and we're going to Mama's going to go out in the woods with Papa.
Yes, I am. I'm going to try.
I'm going to try to see if we can get her in the woods with me. So let's see how that goes. She's a little afraid to go.
No woodsman out of her yet.
Yeah. She don't like to go in the woods, and but there's a nice trail up there. It's an easy trail, and I think she can do it. So we're going to see if we can do it today.
I'll give it my best shot.
She has like 200 miles on her bike now.
I have almost 300.
Almost 300. So now she's getting used to her bike, and I've got like 6.5, I think, on mine. So starting to get the feel of it, starting to get used to it, get a little bit more confident, and so we're gonna go up there and do that. So here we go. We're here. This is how we got our bikes in here. We've been doing this all the time now. Got one underneath this blanket here, and I just put our seat belts out to hold them in place. And so far it's worked very well for us. So that's what we've been doing. So we'll get them out here. Well, we're gonna start at the Fenton. See if the girls can do it or not. Go in the woods here. Yeah, got the girls with me. Back there in the back, riding this trail for the first time. Through the woods. So far they're doing good. Doing good. What do you think for the trail?
It was rough, guys. I got a stick in my spoke. I couldn't get the stick out of my spoke. I almost went off 3 or 4 cliffs back.
And if they call this an easy trail, I don't want to know what's hard.
Exactly.
Well, this part here you've done already, so.
Yep. Yeah, I knew that.
All right.
All
That's
right.
the outlook. Yep, that's the outlook.
Outlook's down there. Well, you did it, Ma.
Did it.
Did it.
We're gonna go down there. We're gonna go down on the other side of the water.
Uh-huh.
And if we can, we'll come back this way. But if we can't, and meet you here, that'll probably only take you an hour.
Well, now I'm going to go back and get the car. No way I'm getting the girls back in here again. So, head back and get the car for them. got back here. Took me 49 minutes to get from the bridge by Sinclair and through the woods, Central Hardwoods Trail. And yeah, so now I'm gonna go home. Alrighty, Papa Blue Shirt.